In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a read-only Excel file to an editable file. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and noticed read-only at the top, that simply means Excel is preventing changes from being saved back to that same file. The quickest fix is to remove the read-only attribute from the file itself. We're starting with a workbook that's currently read only. First, close the file. This step matters because Windows can't change a file's attributes while it's being used. When you close it, make sure there aren't extra Excel windows still open on the taskbar. Even background instances can keep the attribute from updating, so take a quick glance and close them too. With Excel closed, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Find the spreadsheet, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, on the General tab, look for the checkbox labeled Read Only. It's checked, and that's what is locking the file. Uncheck that box, then confirm by clicking Apply and OK. That's it for the change. This simple switch updates the file's attribute at the system level. You aren't changing any content. You're only telling Windows that this file can be modified and saved. If you ever need to make it read-only again, return to the same Properties window and recheck the box. Now open the file again in Excel. You'll see that the read-only note at the top is gone, and the file is now fully editable. Go ahead and make a small change and press Save to confirm everything is working normally. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you use this method. Removing the read-only attribute only affects this specific file. It doesn't change how Excel handles other spreadsheets. If this option was intentionally set to protect a template or a shared reference file, consider keeping a backup before you turn it off. Sometimes files become read only if they were copied from another computer, downloaded from a location with restricted permissions, or stored in a folder that's synced to the cloud with protection settings. In those cases, the Properties checkbox is still the right place to check first. If you don't see the option change, that usually indicates you don't have permission to edit the file in that location. Save it to a folder where you do have edit rights and then try again. Also note, Protected View or Worksheet Protection is different. Today, we're only removing the Windows read-only attribute, and that's all there is to it. Close the workbook, uncheck read-only in Properties, reopen, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.